privilege to have with me the legends early in the morning, ladies and gentlemen, talking to them over a cup of coffee and live here on the studio sa Maayong Buntag, Mindanao. Alive and well in Davao City, please welcome in flesh the Cascades.
Good morning. Got an angel on my shoulder, got a penny in my pocket, and I found a four-leaf clover, and I put it in my wallet, wished on all the stars above me, and I caught the nearest rainbow. Someone to love me, gonna find someone to love. Well, I tossed a lot of nickels in a wishing well and saved the fortunes at the fortune cookies tell. I got a lucky penny and a mustard seed, but a warm and tender love is all I need. I want a love that lingers and is stronger through and through. So I'm gonna cross my fingers that I find a girl to love me true. And I'm gonna love her too. And I'm gonna love her true. I'm gonna love her true.
Fantastic. Good morning, gentlemen.
Good morning.
It's great. I'm having goosebumps. Anyway.